Alright, so we're only 19 days into March right now at the current time of me recording this video. And on the main page that I'm posting on right now, I've already made around $4.3 thousand on it this month in commissions. Just on another one of my pages, I got into the TikTok shop program the other day. I've already made around $300 on that account too. And on another one of my pages that I'm running, I've already made around $3.3 thousand on that one too. So if there's one thing that I know, it's that this system actually works. But the number one question that I always get is, where do I even start and what niche do I post in? Listen, a lot has changed since the last time I made a video like this, so you're going to want to pay close attention to this video and watch all the way to the end, because I'm breaking down exactly how I've been growing these pages from 0 to 5,000 to even 10,000 followers in less than a few weeks. Once you master the skill of growing these accounts super quickly, you won't even have to worry about buying accounts like other people like to say, oh, I'm going to buy a TikTok shop account to get another TikTok shop page, but just buying accounts honestly isn't the method anymore. I've just heard of way too many people who have tried to buy an account and got scammed because the account's audience was just terrible, or the account standing just wasn't good. So I just think that buying accounts right now is just a little sketchy in my opinion. And it's overall just way better if you know the skill of how to grow these accounts on your own. And obviously I share the best niches that I'm growing myself on my personal accounts with my premium group, so if you want to join there, I'll have the link in the description. Also, if you ever want access to me directly to just ask me any questions or have any video feedback on what you're posting, you can just join the free community that I'll also have linked down in the description. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into what niches you should start posting in. Alright, so the first niche I'm going to be going over with you guys is the top 5 clips niche. If you've seen me for a while, you probably already know what this niche is because me and my group went crazy on this niche. Probably seen this niche all over your For You page. It's just a bunch of top 5 clips of streamers, YouTubers, podcasts, basically anything that's gone viral before, and they just put it into the top 5 clips. But when it comes down to this niche, this is where most people mess up. Now let's say we have 2 different top 5 accounts that are posting top 5 clips, and account number 1 is posting top 5 streamer clips, and we'll say on day 1 they post top 5 speed clips, and then day 2 they post top 5 Drewski clips. And then on day 3, they're posting Kai Cenat clips. And then we have account number 2 that only posts top 5 speed clips. Now, what a lot of you guys don't know is that account number 2 is going to grow a lot faster than account number 1. The main reason for this is because TikTok wants clarity. You see, the more niche down your content is, the more easier it is for TikTok to find who to push your videos to. For example, if you're posting top 5 baseball clips and your video blows up and then you post top 5 basketball clips the very next day, odds are your top 5 basketball clips video is not going to do very well at all. TikTok is absolutely algorithm driven, so if you stay super niche down, there's almost no room for error. Now, without further ado, here's exactly how I create these top 5 videos from start to finish. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is just pick your niche and subject. And for the sake of this video, the niche and subject that I'm going to be using is top 5 speed clips. And when it comes to finding your clips, you want to be focusing on clips that have already gone viral. Now, the way that I find all my viral clips is you're going to search for whatever you're looking for in the TikTok search bar. So in my case, I'm going to be looking up top 5 best speed clips. And now when you search this up, you're going to go to the filter button up to the top right. Select it on most liked for the last 30 days so you can see the most viral posts in the last 30 days. Now, out of all these posts that you see in this search result, you can scroll through all of them and just grab a few clips from each one. And once you found the top 5 clips that you want to use for your video, the way that we're going to download them to get them into CapCut where we can edit them into our own video is pretty simple. First thing that we're going to do is copy the link to the video that has the clips that you want in it. You're just going to download it using this site called Snaptik. Then once you've downloaded the clip to your camera roll, all you're going to want to do is crop the clip to where it fits the frame. Now just do this for each clip and then put all these clips into CapCut. Now the first thing you're going to want to do when you have these clips into CapCut is crop them all down to where they don't take up too much space on the screen, because this is where your title and your numbers are going to go for each clip. Now that we have everything laid out, all we have to do now is blur the background. All you're going to do to blur the background is go right down here to where the blur button is, click that, and then just select whatever setting of blur that you want. Now all we have to do is let each clip play in whatever order that you want it to be in, and just add the title for each clip as they go. Now one of the last things that I like to do if you have CapCut Pro, this is totally optional, you don't need to do this, but what I like to do is add auto captions. In my opinion, this just makes your video look a lot more high quality and engaging for the viewer. But anyways, this is what your video should look like.
You keep saying kiss, bro. Oh, you want to kiss? No, I don't want to kiss, bro. You sure? No. Bro, come on, bro. Stop doing that, bro.
What? I'm not doing nothing.
I'm not with that kiss shit, bro.
Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Speed, I'm watching the stream while you try not to laugh, bro. That's disrespectful, bro.
The way you move, the way you feel.
One kiss is all it takes.
Falling in love with it.
Bismillah, Allah Akbar.
911, what's your emergency?
Okay, bro.
What's up, dude?
Guess what?
What's up, you got $1 million?
Guess what?
What's up? Tell me.
Guess what?
What's up?
Guess what?
What?
I'm
Alright, now I'm going to be diving into the second niche that I like to post in. And this is one of my favorite niches by far because it's evergreen, which means it can get views forever. And what this niche is this is the animal niche. Now here's a perfect example of how easy these videos can be made. Now all we're going to do to replicate that type of content on our own page is pretty similar to the same process that we just did before. All you're going to want to do is download viral animal clips off of TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and you want to make sure that you download a specific clip just for your hook. Your hook is the very first 3 to 5 seconds of your video that really stops the viewer from scrolling and locks them in on your video. I'd honestly argue that the hook is probably the most important part of your video, so this really needs to be like the scariest clip you can find. Now for the sake of this video, for my animal video, I'm going to title it Scariest Animals You Didn't Know Existed. Now all I'm going to have to do is import the clips that I got for the scariest animals, input the name of each animal or what's going on in the clip for each clip. You can crop the videos and blur the background if you want, or you can just keep it full screen. It really doesn't matter with this niche. But one of the things that is very crucial to this niche is having a good background song, and it's as simple as just finding a viral scary sound that's already doing well on TikTok. Now this content is honestly super easy to edit, so here's an example of the video that I just made. Alright, now niche number 3. This one honestly has the most potential out of all 3 niches that I'm going over today. And the possibilities in this niche are basically endless because you're creating everything with AI. So what this niche is the AI story niche. All these pages are doing is completely taking a fictional script and generating images with AI to go with it. Now I already do have a full tutorial on how to make these types of videos, so I'll have it linked down in the description or on this video right here. But if you're looking for an overall faceless niche with high scalability, then this is the niche for you. And if you're actually serious about making money with TikTok, there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be posting or trying in any of these niches, because at the end of the day it doesn't cost anything to post. So if you actually want to put the work in and start making money with TikTok, just hit the link down below and join the free community. All the members inside of there are grinding in and out every single day, and everybody in there is on the same journey as you making money with TikTok. And you need to remember that all it really takes is one viral video to get you to that 5 to 10k follower rate. I'll put the video up on the screen, but one of the niches that I was posting in that was in this video, just one of the videos on that page, I think got me around 18 or 20,000 followers. But yeah, that's basically it for the video, so make sure you guys like and subscribe because I'm going to be posting way more consistently on this YouTube account.